Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can use the find or search tool on Google Chrome. So let us dive into this. Head over to Google Chrome, launch it on your desktop computer, and there are two ways how you can access the find tool. Let me give you a live example by heading over to my browser settings, just for the sake of this tutorial, guys. So what you want to do is either use the shortcut Control F on your keyboard, or simply click into these three dots in the top right, hover your mouse over find and edit. And here, guys, as you can see, again, that shortcut as well as the find tool here. So click into it, and that is going to open up that field here. So here may enter the word you would like to filter out on the website you're currently at. So let us go, for instance, with, I don't know, memory. So you may highlight it and copy paste it or type it in here. And after that, the find tool will filter out any words here on the given open page in that tab that match your keyword here. So as you can see now, these will be highlighted, these entries, and you may navigate through them by clicking into these, or through them, for example, by clicking into these arrows here. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you use the find tool in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.